Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on methods returning data in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program containing a method which can intake a single number and which returns the double of that number. For example, if I pass 2 to this method, it should return me 4. It should double the 2 into 2, that is, it should return me 4. If I pass 3, it should give me back 6. 3 into 2, 6. It should double my number. So now you can pause this video, write the Java program where you need to create a method which can intake a single number and give the double the size of the number back. It should return the double size of the number back. Okay, to the method calling statement. Okay. Now you can pause this video, write the Java program, and once you are done, you can resume this video and now you can watch the solution for this problem and cross check whether your Java program is matching with mine. Okay. So let me go to this Eclipse IDE to give the solution for that assignment. Here I'm going to create a new class, demo L. We'll create a main method here, auto generate the main method. And here in parallel to this main method, I'm going to create another method, public static void double the number. I'm giving some random name for this method. So this method should intake one number. Okay. Let's say a is a parameter. Okay. Only one number it will intake. Now it should return a into 2. Okay. A multiplied by 2. And the return type will be int only, right? For example, if I pass 3 here, 3 into 2, 6 will be returned. So 6 is an integer number. So I'm changing the return type to int and have to use the return keyword here. So what I can do here, I'll simply write system.out.println. Inside this print statement, I'm going to, or you can call this method for now, double the number. And if I pass 3, while calling this method, if I pass 3, 3 will go here. 3 into 2, 6 will be written back to the method calling statement. If I hover the mouse, the return type int is there. Okay, I can store this in a variable. Int result is equal to, like that I can do, and I can print this result. This is one way. Now if I run this code, 6 will be printed. You see? If I pass 3, 6 will be printed. If I pass 4, 8 will be printed and so on. Okay. Now, instead of storing this into the variable, I would like to directly print the returned, okay, print the result of this or return type, returned value of this method calling statement directly like this, okay, to optimize the code. System.out.println. Here inside this print statement, I am calling the method. So once this method is called, for example, if I pass 4 here, 4 will be passed to A and 4 into 2, 8 will be written back to the method calling statement. That 8 will be printed here. Okay. So if I run this code, 8 will be printed in the output console. So, so this is a solution for this assignment, okay, for this Java program assignment, okay. So hope that your code is matching with mine. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.